Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best rotating ring light is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for anyone looking to elevate their content creation game, whether you're a seasoned YouTuber, a budding influencer, or simply someone who wants to look their best on video calls. This innovative device promises to revolutionize your lighting setup with its unique 360-degree rotation capability, ensuring you achieve the perfect illumination from any angle, eliminating harsh shadows and creating a professional, flattering glow that will make your audience take notice. Number 5. JIANJIN 18 Dimmable LED Ring Light Kit. Introducing the JIANJIN 18-inch Ring Light Kit, your all-in-one solution for perfect photos and videos. This kit includes everything you need for studio-quality lighting on the go. Featuring 416 high-performance LEDs, it offers exceptional brightness with a wide dimming range from 1% to 100%. Easily adjust the color temperature from warm 2600K to cool 6700K to match any environment. The kit comes complete with a 63-inch tripod stand, phone clip, hot shoe adapter, and a 2.4G remote controller for effortless operation. It's designed for cameras, smartphones, YouTube, TikTok, and more. All accessories, including the stand, fit neatly into the durable, multifunctional suitcase. This design ensures easy transport and quick setup wherever you go. For added stability, hang the suitcase on the tripod to lower the center of gravity. Plus, the built-in USB charging port keeps your phone powered up during long shoots. Available in both black and pink, this ring light is built with a high CRI of over 90 for accurate color rendering. JIANJIN provides an 18-month warranty for your peace of mind. What we like? This is the largest ring light in the comparison, offering a wide and even spread of light. Its 360-degree rotation allows for versatile positioning. If you need a professional setup for YouTube or TikTok and appreciate the convenience of an all-in-one portable case, this is the one for you. What people say. The light ring has been very practical for me to create good lighting in videos, photos, and video calls. It provides uniform light that helps improve image quality without generating strong shadows. I like that it has different levels of intensity, which allows you to adjust the lighting according to the need. The 18-inch size gives off bright, even lighting that makes a big difference for makeup tutorials, live streaming, and content creation. The adjustable brightness and color temperature are very useful, and the tripod feels stable enough to hold my phone or camera securely. It's nice, no complications that I see. It's tall, I'm 5 feet 8 inches and it's as tall as me. It comes with a remote to control it so you can turn it on and off and control the brightness. I love that it has a LED white light and also a regular lamp light. It also comes with a Bluetooth camera snapshot, a remote that snapshots your pictures so you don't have to do it on a timer. Number 4. Evershop Ring Light for Laptop. Meet the new standard in video conferencing lighting. This innovative ring light is designed to enhance your presence on any video call. Tired of unstable clips? Our upgraded stand features a stretchable plate that securely fits various screens, ensuring a perfect, screen-friendly setup every time. This device offers a complete solution, allowing you to position your phone or tablet directly on the stand. It's perfect for hands-free video calls, helping you look your best. Weighing just 7.1 ounces and powered by USB, it's incredibly easy to take anywhere. Simply plug it into your laptop, power bank, or adapter for instant illumination. Choose from 3 lighting colors and 30 brightness levels to find your perfect look. With high color accuracy, it ensures your true skin tones are always visible. Its unique foldable design saves space and allows for 360-degree rotation, ensuring you can always find the ideal angle for your shots. What we like? This compact ring light is designed to clip onto your laptop or desk, making it perfect for video calls and remote work. If you're looking for a portable solution to improve your appearance on Zoom meetings or online classes without taking up much space, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It works very well. If you have a freestanding monitor, the mounting hardware that comes with this works well to balance on top of the monitor in much the same way that webcams do. Some other lights have more variety than this light, but I find that the variety possible with this light is all that I need. It's either warm white or bright white, and there are 10 levels of intensity for each of the 2 temperatures of light. This is a great little ring light, big enough to make a noticeable difference, but not so big that it takes over your desk. The brightness and color settings are easy to adjust, and it really improved how I look on camera for recordings and video calls. Number 3. MQOUNY Auto Face Tracking Phone Holder. Experience seamless video recording with our AI-powered tracking system. It accurately captures your every expression and move, freeing your hands for calls and streaming. Forget about downloading apps or connecting via Bluetooth. This tripod has a built-in camera and sensor for automatic tracking, so you can start shooting in seconds. It features a standard 1/4 screw thread for tripod mounting and an adjustable holder that securely fits any smartphone. This compact device is perfect for daily recording, meetings, travel, and live streaming on platforms like Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. Equipped with a built-in rechargeable battery, it offers 6 to 8 hours of use on a full charge. Simply charge it via USB and you're ready to go. What we like? Experience hands-free recording with its intelligent auto face tracking. If you're a vlogger or streamer who needs to move around while staying in frame, or if you dislike dealing with app connections, this smart tripod is ideal for you. What people say. The 360 degrees auto face tracking follows your movements smoothly, which makes it perfect for vlogging, TikTok, or video calls. The built-in light and remote control are very useful, and the rechargeable battery lasts a good amount of time. Setup is quick and easy, and it holds the phone securely. The 360 degrees face tracking is smooth, fast, and spot-on, keeping me front and center no matter how I move. Works on a tabletop or any standard tripod, and the phone clamp fits even my big phone in a chunky case with zero struggle. It also has the facility to mount a GoPro-style mount. Nice. Number 2. Weilisi 10.5 ring light with 69 tripod. Experience lighting like never before with our innovative full-screen design. Its larger, round panel provides an ultra-bright and adjustable fill light effect from any angle, ensuring you're always perfectly illuminated. Enjoy softer, more uniform lighting that enhances your natural beauty. This technology makes your skin appear flawless and highlights your features, all while protecting your eyes. Tailor your lighting with 10 brightness levels and 3 color temperatures. Whether you need warm, natural, or cool light, you can achieve the perfect ambience anytime, anywhere. Set up your perfect shot with our adjustable tripod, extending from 39 to 69 inches. Made from durable aluminum, it offers stability and a standard mount for your device. Capture stunning photos and group shots from up to 30 feet away with the included wireless remote. It's compatible with most smartphones, making remote operation a breeze. Our phone holder offers 360-degree rotation, fitting most phones securely. Easily adjust it to capture beautiful photos and videos from any angle you desire. From video recording and live streaming to makeup application and video conferencing, this versatile light is your go-to solution. It's perfect for various applications, both indoors and outdoors. What we like? This ring light offers a unique full-screen lighting design for softer, more uniform illumination. If you prioritize natural-looking skin tones and need a versatile setup for various applications like makeup, live streaming, or video recording with an adjustable tripod, this option is a great fit. What people say. The light quality is excellent, and it offers not only different color temperatures but also multiple brightness levels, which makes it easy to dial in the perfect lighting whether I'm on camera or taking detailed product shots. The tripod feels very sturdy and durable, much more solid than some of the flimsier stands I've tried, and the adjustable height is great for different setups. The phone holder is very secure and holds my device firmly in place without wobbling. The 10.5-inch ring light with the 69 tripod stand is absolutely phenomenal. The brightness is powerful yet flattering, eliminating harsh shadows and giving a clean, professional glow. The tripod is sturdy, tall, and easy to adjust, which makes it perfect for videos, photos, and live calls. Number 1. Best Choice Products 360 Swivel Mirror Jewelry Cabinet. Introducing a revolutionary way to organize your beauty essentials. This cabinet offers a smooth 360-degree rotation and adjustable angles, ensuring you can achieve your perfect look from any viewpoint. A full-length, beveled mirror is integrated into the door, complete with a secure magnetic latch. It provides a clear reflection for all your styling needs. Discover abundant storage for all your treasures. With numerous hooks, earring rests, ring slots, and spacious shelves, everything has its place. The integrated LED mirror provides bright, clear illumination, making makeup application precise and effortless. A convenient foldable shelf transforms it into a dedicated makeup station. Crafted with a quality engineered wood frame and a soft velvet interior, it protects your valuables. This piece combines elegant design with lasting durability. Beyond jewelry, it features a foldable shelf, pull-out cubbies, and a base drawer. Keep all your cosmetics and accessories neatly organized and easily accessible. What we like? This is not a typical ring light, but a jewelry cabinet with an integrated LED mirror. If your primary need is organized storage for your jewelry and makeup, coupled with a convenient lighted mirror for application, this is the perfect solution for your vanity or dressing area. What people say. The wood is solid and product is heavy because it is made well. The product itself is very nice looking and everything functioned beautifully. The lights work nicely, as well. It has a nice velvet interior with a lighted mirror. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.